Day 6 of 30. If talking to a camera makes you sound unnatural, try this. Ditch your script entirely. I know. Hear me out. It might sound crazy, and I'm not saying don't prepare what you're going to say. What I'm saying is don't use a teleprompter and don't memorize your lines. Here's why. The second you start reading, three things happen. Your voice goes flat. You stop pausing or looking away or doing the natural things humans do when they communicate. And your viewer on the other side feels it instantly. And guess what that means? Swipe. They can't explain it, but they just know something feels off. Did you know that people stay 41% longer in your videos if they sense that you're thinking on your feet? That's nearly half of your watch time just from sounding like a normal human being. There's a trick to this actually, and I will show you what I'm doing recording this reel right now. My script right now is on a laptop right next to this phone. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at the script, I'm absorbing the words, I'm saying them out loud, and then I'm looking at the camera, I'm delivering the line, and then I'm pressing stop. And I just do this with each successive idea. But what I'm not doing is reading word for word what's there. If I screw up, I just leave that in because it makes the person more believable, at least to me, when they're speaking like a normal person who doesn't always have perfectly formed speech. So if that's an area you're struggling with, or if it's something that you want to get better at, just comment magnetic and I'd love to help you with a resource I created that will make all of this really, really simple.